Hey everyone. Today we're going to learn how to master the drawing panel on TradingView, a powerful feature for charting, trend analysis, and improving your overall technical skills. We'll walk you through using keyboard shortcuts for popular tools, adding tools to your drawing panel for quick access, saving and using drawing templates to speed up your workflow. Sounds interesting? Let's get straight into it. TradingView provides built-in keyboard shortcuts for its most used drawing tools, which makes your charting a lot faster. For example, press Alt-F on Windows or Option-F on Mac to open the Fibonacci Retracement tool. Similarly, you'll also find shortcuts for line tools, arrows, and brushes. Let's take a moment to plot and understand the Fibonacci Retracement tool here. Fibonacci Retracement is a technical analysis tool used to identify potential support and resistance levels. To use it, just drag from a swing low to a swing high, or vice versa. The tool will automatically plot key Fibonacci levels like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. Traders often watch for price reactions at these levels. For example, here we see a trend pattern of values. We're going to draw it for clarity and make some assumptions about the future using this tool. Possibly the values are going to rise or drop in future as well. Now, if the price dips below 23.6% and bounces back, it's considered a weak pullback zone. However, if it drops below 38.2% and rebounds near 50%, that would be seen as a strong pullback zone with potential upward movement. Let us know in the comments section if you want a full video dedicated to using Fibonacci in live charts or need help incorporating this chart with your trading strategies. Now let's talk about the drawing panel, which can be even more helpful than shortcuts, especially if you use multiple tools. You'll find the drawing panel docked on the lower left corner of the TradingView sidebar. To add tools to it, hover over any tool in the sidebar, click the star icon beside it. Once it turns yellow, the tool gets added to the panel. If you want to remove it later, click the star again. Let's add the callout tool now. This panel saves you from hunting through the entire sidebar again and again, like I used it to insert multiple callouts here. You can also show or hide the panel using the star icon at the bottom, or even drag it around the chart using the 6-dot handle on the left. Did you know that you can save formatting templates for your drawing tools? Let's walk you through the process on how to do it. Use any drawing tool and format it, like color, line thickness, font, etc. Then click the template icon on the formatting bar. That's the first icon from the left. Hit Save As and give your style a custom name like teal white. Next time you use the same tool, TradingView remembers the last template used. You can also quickly switch between different templates or delete them by clicking the trash icon. Just remember that these templates are tool specific, so a callout template won't work with a trend line. Each tool needs its own saved styles. To show you, I am using a trend line here. Our recently created templates are not showing up here because they were created in callout and not trend lines. Let's do a quick recap. Today, we learned 1. How to use keyboard shortcuts for drawing tools. 2. How traders use the Fibonacci Retracement tool. 3. How to customize the drawing panel. 4. And how to save and switch drawing templates. If this video helped you, give us a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Drop your topic suggestions in the comments. We'd love to hear what you want next. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.